how to instantly make carrying your cosplay accessories painless. I swear to you that a good ring belt is one of the most underrated tools any fair goer or cosplayer could have. Now here's the thing with most cosplay belts that you find out very quickly if you've ever bought one off of Amazon. Most of them suck. For some of them, it's a miracle if they get through a whole season. And that's where a normal good belt might come in. So why even consider a ring belt? Well, outside of looking amazing on every fantasy costume, they're absolutely... Watch this. Things just come on and off easy. They're adjustable to nearly any size, because all it does is to connect is it just clips onto itself. So you get your end and then put it on. That easy. Literally. And this will hold your phone, your wallet, if you got a bag for that. As long as it'll fit on a belt, it can attach that way. As long as it'll fit on a belt, it'll attach that way. Or, if you got a lobster claw, that also works too. And this will be perfect for, in case you get thirsty at Faire, you can keep your drinks in here. Check the rules to make sure you can bring in drinks from the outside. Of course. But literally, that easy. And then, if you want to hold all your trinkets, look at that. It holds all your trinkets too. And adjustable size, holds all your things. And when you need to go to the bathroom, all you do is take it off just like this. And then hand it to somebody, say, hey, can you hold this? I'm going to go to the bathroom. Hang it on. Or hand it to a friend, be like, hey, can you hold this? And then when you put it back on, everything will be in the exact same spot you left it. Because these won't move unless you move them. The second they're against your skin, they're not moving. And then when you take them off, they're not moving either. Literally. Unless I'm sitting over here shaking it, this only moves a little bit. These are still on their same rings. And these are 3 different type of closures. It works for literally anything. So, ring belts. I use these, which is why I recommend them. If I didn't use them, if I didn't think they're useful, I wouldn't try selling them to you. That's why we have the catalog that we do, because we only sell you things that we use and we know work. They're amazing. Super underrated. They're awesome. You can get yours at houseofcale.com. If you've enjoyed this video and found the information here helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the House of Cale's newsletter, the House of Cale's Weekly Act. Thank you. And remember, the house always wins.